Hey there, I've got a small little project today. Behind me is my 110 pop top and I'm going to install a bonnet protection plate. I'll show you quickly what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. I already have the fender plates. They are spray glass black. So I've decided to take the step to drill a couple of holes in my bonnet to install that guy. Nicely sprayed, and that is basically just to allow me to access that storage tray on the roof. Of course, the vehicle is fairly high and I need to get onto the fenders, but to access there and to tie everything down I need to stand on the bonnet, and that is just a recipe for getting scratched and damaged. So I'm going to install the fender plates or the bonnet protection plate. So all the holes have been pre-drilled already. There's 17 of them, and I'm just going to place it and measure it nicely on the center of the bonnet, and then going to drill the holes and fix it with pop rivets. Okay, just started the process. I started at the back side, in other words on the driver's or the cockpit side. There's 4 rivets in. I did paint them, but I'll touch them up again because paint's a bit wet still. And I'll put some proper weights on the plate just to keep pressure so I can have it nice and flat when I draw. Right, so basically done. Took me about 20 minutes maybe. All that I need to do now is just to do the final touch up on the rivets where the paint came off. I did use some masking tape over it, but like I said, the paint was still a bit wet. Needed some more time to dry, and then it'll be done. So a little bit into the sun, and that's the final product.